Okay, revisiting proper cantilever through moment distribution method. సో మీరు ప్రాపర్ క్యాంటిలివర్ కొంతమంది టఫ్ గా ఫీల్ అయ్యింటారు కదా, రియాక్షన్స్ కనుక్కోవడం, ప్రాపర్ రియాక్షన్స్ కనుక్కోవడం. కొంతమంది ఎవరైనా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు అట్లా? ప్రాపర్ రియాక్షన్స్ కనుక్కోవడం కొంచెం కష్టంగా అనిపించింది ఎవరికైనా? ఎవరికి అనిపించలేదా?
అనిపించింది సార్.
ఎవరు?
కిరణ్
నీకోసం మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక మెథడ్ అనమాట. అంటే అది కష్టంగా ఉంటే ఈ మెథడ్ మీరు ఫాలో అవ్వచ్చు అనమాట. సపోజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. ప్రాపర్ క్యాంటిలివర్ విత్ సెంట్రల్ పాయింట్ లోడ్. You'd like to find proper reaction. Easily you can work out by using moment distribution method. First, the steps are like this. First, fix it like this. Fix it like this. Apply this load. L by 2, L by 2. So you know fixed moments, right? Left anti-clockwise, right clockwise. Fixed moments are PL by 4, PL by 4 of 8. PL by 8. PL by 8. These are the fixed moments. This is the fixed beam. What is the difference between proper cantilever and fixed beam? Kiran, what is the difference between proper cantilever and fixed beam? At end P, here no moment.
Fixed
at end P, there is no moment is there. But in fixed beam,
proper cantilever
in proper cantilever there is no moment at B, whereas in fixed beam there is a moment at B. So you know how to remove the moment. So removing moment is very simple. That is, if you release that moment, what happens? If you release that moment, what needs to be done to release this moment? See, this moment PL by 8 is there, moment, okay? We need to make it 0. How can you make it 0? What is the process? Suppose if you apply moment in opposite direction, same amount, PL by 8. What is the net moment now? If you apply
0, sir.
If you apply anti-clockwise couple PL by 8, it becomes 0. But to make it, what happens at far end? If you apply PL by 8 here, what happens at far end? 50% moment will develop. What is the 50%?
PL by 4. PL by 16.
Yeah, PL by 16. Okay, done. Now the case is like this. So it is like this. Fixed end, this end, roller end, P, here 0 moment. So here moment is how much now? PL by 16. How to find reactions? Okay, very simple. Be careful here. For a P load, P by 2 reaction will develop because it is a midpoint load. That's why P by 2. PL by 16 couple, anti-clockwise PL by 16 is there. So obviously, clockwise, how much? P by 16, right? Now, because this length, span is L, then P by 16 into L, how much? PL by 16. So, for balancing of this P load, P by 2, and balancing of PL by 16 couple, here P by 16 up to, right side P by 16 down. What is the net reaction here now? What is the net reaction here now? Here net reaction is P by 2 minus P by 16, which is equal to P by 2 means 8 by 16. Sorry, P by 2 means 8 by 16, 8 minus 1, 7 by 16. Something wrong. P by PL by 8. What was the see the previous one? I mean, what was the reaction? ముందు చేసినప్పుడు ఎంత వచ్చింది చూడండి ఒకసారి.
5/16 p sir.
5/16 వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడేమో మనకు 7/16 వస్తుంది. 8/16 minus 1/16.
సార్ ఇక్కడ PL/16 ఎలా వచ్చింది?
PL/8 లో సగం అమ్మా. Yeah, one more couple is there. Sorry, one more couple is there here. PL/8 also is there, right? So here already PL/8 is there and carry over PL/16. Net is how much? 3 PL/16, right? Net is 3 PL/16. This PL/16 and PL/8. So total is 3 PL/16. So here balancing is 3P/16, 3P/16. So now it is P/2 minus 3P/16 is how much? 5P/16. So this side reaction 8 plus 11P/16. These are the reactions, which is same as previous case, right? See the prop reaction 5P/16, left side reaction 11P/16, the moment 3PL/16. So same things we got. Kiran, clear?
Clear, sir.
ఇది ఈజీగా ఉందా, అది ఈజీగా ఉందా?
రెండు ఈజీనే.
నీకు ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్స్ తెలిస్తే జస్ట్ రిలీజ్ చేయడమే. ఇక్కడ ఫార్ అండ్ ఐ మీన్ బి అండ్ దగ్గర రిలీజ్ చేస్తే PL/8 ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ అప్లై చేస్తే క్యారీ ఓవర్ PL/16 వచ్చింది. ఆ PL/8 ఈ PL/16 నెట్ వచ్చేసి 3PL/16. ఆ 3PL/16 నుండి మన రియాక్షన్స్ కనుక్కోవడమే ఇంకా.
అంతే.
ఓకే, విల్ సీ వన్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లం. Suppose if you have a UDL like this, W. So first what we need to do, fix it. Apply UDL. W per meter run, okay? You know fixed moments. WL²/12 anti-clockwise and here WL²/12 clockwise L span. Now we need to release that B and we need to release. How to release that? WL²/12 is there. Here also WL²/12 is there. Releasing is very simple. Applying moment in opposite direction, same amount. So completely it will release. So obviously carry over will be now half of that. WL²/12, half means WL²/24. So now net moment is like this. Load is this one, W. Right end, I mean B end, no moment because that clockwise anti-clockwise gets nullified, and left side what is the total? 1/12 plus 1/24, 48 is LCM. 3 plus 2 5, sorry 4 plus 2 6, sorry 24 is the LCM. 24 means 2 plus 1 3. 3/24 1/8.
1/8 sir.
WL²/8 is the net moment here. Now finding reactions, observe here, very simple. Finding reactions, WL, that one total load is WL, so WL/2 WL/2 because of UDL, WL/2 WL/2 because of couple, anti-clockwise couple, clockwise couple will develop like this, that is WL²/8 divided by L, that is WL/8 WL²/8 divided by L. So net, see here 1/2 minus 1/8. 1/2 means 4/8. 4/8 minus 1/8. 4/8 minus 1/8, 3/8. So net reaction is here 3/8 of WL. ఇంతకు ముందు అంతే వచ్చిందా? 4/8, 3/8. Here 4/8 plus 1/8, 5/8, right? 5/8. WL here. So these are the reactions. Okay. So prop reaction 3/8 of WL you can determine in this method also. Okay. So this is the another method. Okay. For finding prop reactions, no need to go for that much lengthy procedure. What was the procedure? That method was method of consistent deformations. So we compared downward. I mean, we calculated a downward deflection and I mean in the released structure we calculated upward deflection due to
Sir.
prop reaction R, and we compared that. Then only we got that prop reaction. But here very simply we got. Chepma.
సో వీటికి డైరెక్షన్స్ ఎలా పెట్టారు మళ్ళీ వచ్చినావా 3/WL 5/8/WL
See, upward is WL/2, downward is WL/8. Which is more, WL/2 or WL/8? WL/2 is more.
WL/2
WL/2 is more. So more minus
Yes, sir.
less. So more symbol will be there here. WL/2 is upward direction. Net will be upward only, like that.
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే సార్
Suppose +8 ఉంది -3 ఉంది, ఏం చేస్తాము 8 - 3 ప్లస్ సింబల్ వస్తుంది అనమాట, అలా అనమాట. Algebraic sum. We will see one more problem. Suppose if you have this uniformly varying load like this. Okay, what is the prop reaction? That is the question. Okay, have you done this one for in those in the consistent deformation method for varying load? I think you have not done this one, right? But we can do here. How? First fix it like this. W. Okay. Now what are the fixed moments? You know, anti-clockwise, clockwise. W
L²/20
WL/30 right, 20 right here. Here WL/30 right. L² amma. Yeah, WL²/20, WL²/30. So these are the fixed moments, right? Okay. Now we need to release. So releasing means roller support. Yeah. This is the load. Clockwise WL²/20. Here anti-clockwise WL²/30. So release completely. Releasing completely means here applying in opposite direction, WL²/20. So here anti-clockwise direction only, half of that is WL²/40. Okay. Now we will see reactions. Reactions are like this. See, this is UVL, uniformly varying load. How to find reactions for this? Finding reactions. See here 0 moment, here total moment is how much here now? WL² 1/30 plus 1/40, how much? 120 is the LCM. 4 plus 3, 7. 7/120, right? 7/120 WL² is the couple over there. So now how to find reactions? So reaction finding as usual method only. So as previous also you can find, but otherwise taking moments about A we can find easily. That is taking moments about A.
Sir,
Emma,
7/120 WL² ఎలా?
Okay. 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. Sorry, 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. LCM is 120. So 4 times plus 3 times. So that equal to 7 by 120. Clear, Amma?
Okay, sir.
Taking moments about A, we can find reactions. Suppose this is RB, this is RA. This method is simple here. So anti-clockwise, that means minus 7 by 120 WL square, that is moment already. Then due to load, UL load, what is the total load? That is clockwise plus half into L into W, that is the load, into central distance about A, it is 2/3 of L. Okay, 2/3 of L. This is the clockwise, and RB anti-clockwise, minus RB into L equal to 0. So from this we can simplify minus 7 by 120 WL square plus 2 gets cancelled, WL square by 3 equal to RB into L. So RB equal to L square goes away, and WL by 3 minus 7 by 120 WL, which is equal to WL into LCM is 120, 40 minus 7, which is equal to 33 by 120 WL, which is equal to 11 by 40 WL. 11 by 40 WL is the RB reaction. And RA plus RB, total load is half into L into W, that is WL by 2. So RA equal to WL by 2 minus RB, 11 by 40 WL. So 1 by 2 means 20 by 40. 20 minus 11, 9.
9 by 40.
9 by 40 WL, that is RA. RA 9 by 40 WL, RB 11 by 40 WL. So like this we can find prop reactions also. Prop reactions or movement, whatever. So propped cantilevers can be analyzed like this also. Knowing the fixed movements, just we need to release at one end, it becomes propped cantilever. Okay, we'll see some more problems. Suppose a propped cantilever with M couple at center. Okay, M couple at center. So very simple. First, we need to fix it on both sides like this. M couple. So by fixing on both sides, fixed moments are in same direction. How much? Can you remember? M by 4 are the fixed moments. Right? Correct, Anna? Gurtunda?
Yes, sir.
Okay. AB. Now release. Release this. How to release that? M by 4 couple is there, just opposite M by 4. Here already M by 4 is there. For M by 4, anti-clockwise M by 4. So anti-clockwise here M by 8. Okay. Now net thing is here like this. Fixed end, roller end, central M couple, here 0. This side, see clockwise M by 4, anti-clockwise M by 8. So which is more? Clockwise is more. So net will be clockwise only. How much? M by 4 minus M by 8. That is M by 8 is net. Okay. Now reactions are very simple. What is the total moment here in this structure? M plus M by 8. What is M plus M by 8? 9 by 8, right? 9 m by 8. So reactions will be to form anti-clockwise, left up, left down, right up, 9 m by 8l. Here also 9 m by 8l. Okay. చెక్ చేయండి, ఇంతకు ముందు ఎంత వచ్చిందో మనకు ఇలాంటిది కేసు చేసామా కిరణ్?
చూస్తున్నా సార్.
చూడు చూడు శ్రీనివాస్, ఉన్నావా? చూస్తున్నావా?
సార్ ఉన్నా.
సేమేనా?
చూడలేదు సార్.
అక్కడ ఎలా చేసినాం? ml by 2 ei area into l by 2 plus l by 4.
Sir, same sir.
Same కదమ్మా?
Same sir.
Okay, okay. So like this, okay, proper reactions. One more thing. Suppose if they have given like this, $30 kilonewtons, 3 meter, 1 meter. Okay, how to analyze this? Simply, okay. So analysis of this proper cantilever is method of consistent deformations will take a lot of time, but here first fix it on both sides. 30, 3, 1. So what are the moments here? MA how much?
P PA square B by L. PAB square by L.
PAB square. PAB square by
45 by 8 sir.
PAB square by L square kada? 4 square kada?
Yes sir.
Which is equal to how much?
5.625.
5.625. Here 30 into A square B by L square, which is equal to
16.875.
875. These are the fixed moments. Now release. See here already anti-clockwise 5.625 is there. Here releasing it becomes 0 because clockwise 16.875. For that we are applying anti-clockwise 16.875. Load is there like this, 3 and 1. So here anti-clockwise 16.875 by 2. So what is net now? Net moment is how much? $5.625 plus 16.875 by 2.
14.06.
14 point. మొత్తం చెప్పమ్మా.
0625.
0625. That is the moment. Now reactions. Okay. How to find reactions? Minus 14.0625 anti-clockwise plus 30 into 3 minus RB into 4 equal to 0. So RB equal to how much? చెప్పండి.
18.984.
984 kilonewtons. RA equal to 30 minus 18.984, which is equal to 11.016 kilonewtons. So like this completely you can find reactions. After finding reactions, shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, point of counter flexure, everything is same. Okay. మీకు ఇది కొంచెం కంఫర్టబుల్ గా అనిపిస్తుందా? ప్రాపర్టీ క్యాంటిలివర్ మనం మూమెంట్
Yes, sir.
లో చేయడం కొంచెం కంఫర్టబుల్ గా అనిపిస్తుంటది అనమాట. సో స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే నేర్చుకునే కొద్దీ చేసే కొద్దీ మనకు ఈజీ అయిపోతూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెథడ్స్ మనకు తెలుస్తుంటాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఒక సూటబుల్ సింపుల్ మెథడ్ ని మనం చూస్ చేసుకుని ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని ఫినిష్ చేస్తాం అనమాట ఎగ్జామ్ లో. సో మొత్తాన్ని తెలిసి పెట్టుకుంటే చాలా సింపుల్ గా మీకు ఆన్సర్లు వచ్చేస్తుంటాయి అనమాట. సో వాడు అడగచ్చు అనమాట, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మూమెంట్ అట్ ఏ అనొచ్చు అనమాట. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మూమెంట్ అట్ ఏ అన్నప్పుడు మీరు రియాక్షన్ కనుక్కొని తర్వాత మూమెంట్ కనుక్కునే బదులు డైరెక్ట్ మూమెంట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ మెథడ్ లో ఏ దగ్గర మూమెంట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, 14.065 మీకు 2 స్టెప్పుల్లో వచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఈ మెథడ్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ట్రై దిస్. $30 kN couple, 3 meter, 2 meter. Analyze this. So this one, first fix it. $30 kN. Okay. So moments will develop here. MA how much? MB how much? In the same direction it will develop. So MA equal to 30. I mean P M B. B is 2 here into 3A minus L, right? 3A means 9 minus 5. 9 minus L is 5 by L square, 5 square, 25. This side 30 into A, 3 into 3B minus L. 3B is 6 minus 5 by 25. How much?
9.6.
9.6.
0.15.
0.15. Okay. Now release that. 30, 3, 2, here like this. So
B is 3.6.
Emma, 3.6.
6.
Okay. 3.6. Now here this is 9.6. Here 3.6. Make it 0 by applying on opposite direction. 3.6. So carry over here 3.6 by 2. That is anti-clockwise 1.8. So net will be now like this. (30, 3, 2). So 9.6 clockwise, anti-clockwise 1.8. Net how much? 9.6 minus 1.8. So 7.8, right?
8, sir. Yes.
7.8. So reactions are very simple. Clockwise 7.8, clockwise 30, 37.8. So to make it anti-clockwise couple like this, right up to left down, 37.8 by 5. How much?
7.56.
5.2. Here also 7.52. So these are the reactions. Okay. Simply, I mean, this one shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, we can draw like this. So this is the shear force diagram. Negative 7.52. This is the bending moment diagram. 7.8 up. Then clockwise 7.52. That means here bending moment 0. Here positive 7.52 into 2, 14 point something. Here how much? 15.04. This one, this side it is just drops to 14.96, and you need to join this. So 7.52 into 3, how much? 7.8 minus 7.52 into 3, how much? See, 7.8 is plus at A. At this location, 7.8 minus 7.52 into 3, how much? 7.8 minus 7.52 into 3.
Minus 14.76.
14.76. Okay.
76.
Okay, then it is 76 minus 14.76 minus 17.476 plus 30.
15.24.
15.24, sir.
15.24. Then what about 7.52 into 2?
7.52
into 2.
15.04.
Then you check it once again. 37.8 by 5, how much? 37.8 by 5, how much?
7.56.
5 కదా? So 5 అని చెప్పారు ఎవరో. 7.56 అది. ఓకే, 7.56. ఇప్పుడు సరిపోతుందండి. 7.56 into 2 సరిపోయిందా?
15.12.
15.12 నా? మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ పోయింది? $7.8. So here 9.6.
14.88, sir.
ఏదమ్మా?
14.76 కాదు.
14.88. 14.88. న్యూమరికల్ గా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవ్వాలా. అప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది అక్కడ? 30 minus of 14.88 ఎంత? 15.12.
15.12.
సరిపోతుందా? 7.56 into 2 సరిపోయింది. ఓకే, సో లైక్ దిస్. So we can try on your own for different problems. Okay. You try something like this. Analyze all these beams. (20 kilonewton per meter), 4 meters. Analyze all these beams. Okay. 30 kilonewtons, 2 meter, 2 meter. Note all these problems. 30 kilonewtons, 3 meter, 1 meter. (40 kilonewtons, 2 meter, 2 meter). 60 kilonewtons, 3 meter, 1 meter. (10 kilonewtons, 10 kilonewtons, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter). 10 kilonewtons, 20 kilonewton meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. 6 meters, 20 kilometers per meter. So we need to analyze completely, okay? Including shear force and bending moment diagrams also we draw. Okay, try these 10 problems.
10 kilonewton per meter, sir.
Yeah, 10 kilonewton meter.